information processing. And 4, you need to open a blank document for this question 4, and format the page, which is we are going to use Korea New 12 point as the instructions. Change the margins to 3.81 in layout. We are going to change the paper, which is A4 landscape orientation. Then also the hyphenation. You can also just search for it up there on tell me what to do, then just type hyphenation because I can't see it on my panel here. Then alignment is left alignment, and spacing, line spacing, like the space between sentences, is 5 or 1, right? Then we go to as a header, key in your examination number left aligned and question 4 right aligned. So you're gonna go to insert, or you double click on the top part of your page, then it's gonna open a design tab. Then you select header. Always select the 3 columns blank, that one, so that it's easier for you to edit left alignment and right alignment. So left alignment is your ID. Sometimes at the center they say write your seat number, then on your right is the question. Bear in mind I made a mistake there. It's supposed to be question 4, not question 2. Then you also need to format that information to Korea New 12 point. Okay. Then once you are done, you just double click back to the main page, because you are not able to type in the when you are still in the header. So you need to close the header for you to type the main information. So now you will type the heading. So we are formatting now Arial Black 28 point. It's supposed to be in spaced caps. So you go to font, on the arrow on the font there, you click that arrow, you're gonna see advanced, then spacing extended. Maybe put 3 or 4 points, right, or 5, depending on how spaced you want the letters to be. Then you also need to make it bold. Then you type lower your grocery bill. Okay. Then after, you need to cancel the formatting you did. So you cancel the Arial, you go back to Korea New 12 point. So you cancel the Arial, you cancel the font, you cancel bold, you also cancel the spaced caps, everything you undo, because now we are going to type the columns, the information in the columns, which requires Korea New, not those instructions. Those instructions only apply to the heading. So once you are done, I always advise you type everything first, everything in column 1 and column 2 as a one paragraph, right? Also at the bottom here, there's some things where candidate needs to note that you are going to replace the dots, the bullets, with numbers. You are also going, all your headings are going to be uppercase and bold, and you indent your numbering. Okay, so numbering now, you go to numbering library, choose 1, then caps lock, because it says it should be in uppercase, you press caps lock, then you press bold. So on all the numbers it's gonna be caps lock and bold. On all the headings, like search for sales is a heading, then you press enter that sentence needs to be below. That's the sign you see there. So some of us are already adept at using coupons and looking through. The slash means through the week, is the weekly sale flyers. Right, then you type that information. So between the heading and the sentence, there need to be a space, because that's the sign given there, the space sign. There need to be a space in between. And once you are done, you go to number 2. You type again. The heading needs to be bold and uppercase. Type it, then you type the sentence. So continue with that until you are done with all the points. Then after that, we're gonna change to columns. So also be in mind that I'm prone to making errors, and I can't stop the video to rectify those errors. It's gonna be very long for me to, and for me, I do not have really energy to record stuff. So where you can change on your side, please do. And also you can also point the mistakes in the comment section. Also, this is the first video of information processing. You can also give me some of the questions you might need me to do a video for. Maybe give me the year and the question number you'd like me to touch on. Then I hope this is going to be beneficial to you and your exams. Okay, so back to point number 3, point that you see quantify, SP. The spelling for quantify, you need to change it to a correct grammar, correct quantify. And those red lines, it means I didn't type the word correctly, so I need to edit it and change it. Point number 4, which we are typing now, in the sentence, you can see that they say protein-rich foods like meat, poultry, and seafood tend to be, then they put that thingy there, expensive. Then they write more next. So I'm supposed to insert more there. So tends to be more expensive. So that's what you're going to type there. Tend to be more expensive, exactly. know what, then they typed expiration, then they cancelled, then they type, I think it's accession, I can't see very well, then they cancelled. So what word are you supposed to type then? So you're supposed to type expiration. That's the correct word to type, the original one, because we can't the original, then back again, then so on point number, sorry, it's point number 6 is the last point. Point number 6 on the heading where it says expiration, cancel, occasion, cancel, state at the corner. It means you need to write in the correct word. Also, as you are just typing, you can see the English that it's not Englishing. It's much better to write the word which makes sense as you are typing. Okay, after money, you now need to cancel the column. Okay, before we cancel the columns, you now need to insert our 2 columns which are required. So you highlight your information, we go to layout, then we select on columns, 2 columns, then we are good to go. Column break, so that they break each other, column 1 and column 2. You can break the columns. Then once you are done, now you need to cancel the columns so that everything you're going to type below is not a column. Right, because if you type something, it's still gonna continue as a column. So just follow what I'm doing. You undo, go back to 1 column, then you type cut back on costs dash less spent. So that sign that means the words needs to interchange. So on cost dash spend less, right? It makes sense in English. So spend less on groceries, then put nutritious meal on the table. I think I didn't edit. I don't think I then after that I edited it to underline, italics and center. But please, you need to highlight that text, you need to underline it, italics it and center, because I'm remembering now I missed that part. I only changed the font. So you need to underline it, italics and center it. And yeah, just go through and see if you haven't make any mistakes, then you print or you save to your folder wherever you created your folder. Usually create folders in desktop, then you save the question as question 4. And that's the end of the video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.